When you live in a place like Dallas, you know the weather can change quickly. From strong thunderstorms and heavy rain to high winds and sudden temperature shifts, your home needs to be ready for it all. One of the most effective ways to protect your home while improving comfort is by investing in storm-resistant windows and doors. These upgrades are designed to do more than just look good. They provide an extra layer of protection, energy efficiency, and peace of mind for homeowners facing unpredictable conditions. Storm-resistant windows and doors are built with durability at their core. Unlike standard options, they are constructed using reinforced frames and impact-resistant glass. This means they can withstand flying debris, strong wind pressure, and harsh weather without breaking apart. For Dallas homeowners, this added strength helps protect your home's interior from damage during severe storms. One of the most important benefits is protection against wind and pressure changes. During intense storms, wind can push against windows and doors with significant force. If a window or door fails, it can create pressure inside the home that leads to further structural damage. Storm-resistant options are designed to stay intact, helping maintain your home's stability even during extreme conditions. Water resistance is another key advantage. Heavy rain can find its way through poorly sealed windows and doors, leading to leaks and potential damage. Storm-resistant designs include advanced sealing systems and weather stripping that help block out moisture. This keeps your home dry and reduces the risk of issues like mold or water damage. In addition to protection, these windows and doors also improve energy efficiency. Dallas summers can be hot, and keeping your home cool is essential. Storm-resistant products often feature insulated glass and tight seals that reduce heat transfer. This helps maintain a consistent indoor temperature, allowing your air conditioning system to work more efficiently and potentially lowering energy costs. Noise reduction is another benefit many homeowners appreciate. The same materials that help block out weather also reduce outside noise. Whether it's traffic, storms, or neighborhood activity, storm-resistant windows and doors create a quieter indoor environment, adding to your overall comfort. Security is an added layer of value. The reinforced construction and impact-resistant glass make it much harder for intruders to break through. This means you're not only protecting your home from the weather but also enhancing its overall security. Durability is especially important in a climate like Dallas. Frequent exposure to sun, heat, and storms can wear down standard materials over time. Storm-resistant windows and doors are built to handle these conditions, resisting warping, cracking, and fading. This long-lasting performance reduces the need for frequent repairs or replacements. Style is another factor that makes these upgrades appealing. Modern storm-resistant windows and doors are available in a wide range of designs, colors, and finishes. This means you don't have to sacrifice curb appeal for protection. You can choose options that complement your home's style while still benefiting from advanced performance features. Professional installation is essential to getting the most out of your investment. Even the strongest products won't perform properly if they're not installed correctly. Experienced installers ensure a tight fit, proper sealing, and secure anchoring, allowing your windows and doors to provide maximum protection and efficiency. Another advantage is increased home value. Buyers in Dallas often look for homes that are well prepared for local weather conditions. Storm-resistant windows and doors can make your property more attractive by offering both safety and energy efficiency. Maintenance is also relatively simple. High-quality materials are designed to withstand the elements with minimal upkeep. Routine cleaning and occasional inspections are usually enough to keep them in excellent condition. Ultimately, storm-resistant windows and doors offer a smart, long-term solution for Dallas homeowners. They provide protection against severe weather, improve energy efficiency, and enhance both comfort and security. If you're looking to upgrade your home, Investing in storm-resistant windows and doors is a practical step toward greater peace of mind. With the right products and professional installation, you can enjoy a home that's better prepared for whatever the Dallas weather brings, while staying comfortable and protected year-round.